ner malaka nyam ya malaka Nuer online TV channel. Rajaban lingwa same equate Tumaini Peace Initiative. Natin kontin chalke UPA United People Alliance. Kenete kontin chi de ni kendi alekena madgwa ke la military la dunia la de den kele chikana chola UPA. So kene maladanen jata in kam kirma yadit kene Riek machar kene is dead. Jan kene mal mishilu. Bana rajame bana jeling akan kono niam railer kana me jira majidit kanor online TV channel ku subscribe ko notification bell ku jetwan ko beler to TV kan chomala shub ke gwasa dana pay coverage bana mandana le road bana jeling ko gor kono anymore de lingon ka tamal kare wi ka so Sudan gor jeno de kon dial de kon aling bantilat ko din gwasa bana kaling ko kate tuwa kon tama shana tin kono lar kurin ci kon ngaji la tok okay tin chan ngaire wi ko so Sudan o tema ka jen gwasa me tel mishale mal kam kirma yadit kene Riek machar ka tin kono shiro den la tin chanen shi kirma yadit kamen shi ngaji already jeni ala aspele mayu kene shi karong ko dongde karu jen menen yen men tema yon kan je aspele mayu eno gwada ti je aspele mayu tin la kan ka wi hamek no biken ka dwaj mai kine kan ke nyok bikane de kontin chunkel baka spele mayo bana bikan gadak bikan mat kor ka jeno en spele mayo kwaren chaje yere wi ko juba ko en Riek machar cher ram cha yen ko ram tini jere duare tel gwa wetin chang mure ge pai to gwada me eno no waje yen dore ki waje detain ki chaje nok jal te ramure duare ka ram barare duare no mo nyodo je chere ga ya already okay cause tenejen nyur ka bang gwas mone mo ko kon lingwa men go Tumaini Peace deal ke Tumaini Peace Initiative ke hope shalga hope of South Sudan kone diala kene Tumaini kan jana dan be malbi no rewi ka South Sudan man cha kula da ne de kontin la UPA United People Alliance kene ne kene mala cha tan kam kirma yadi tirmiling yana money already kene ne gwade da ne cha lat espele mayo cha ga yen no Minister Petroleum Podkang nyok espele mayo defend minister ke defend ramnana kude ko de pinde chaje yen cha kwardit ko kende kwar malga chaga yen chala do already cha tongne ga chenge dana no te ko mal me bro de lat kam kirm yadit kene Riek machar kene la already peace deal dun 2018 la revitalized peace agreement kene ya tung destroy already tel mugoro bna roiten antam mugoro ge so Sudan ba woniam bna bun ga Tumaini Peace Initiative and pointing can spell my monocono malba ben logoro bugo mal no ba bugo mare Tumaini Peace Initiative and a bondi ala continent rar bugo mare Tumaini Peace Initiative go dobra in kalan keja a Canadian only peace deal dan ba malbi no re wika so Sudan chikara jamo chikana kwen ngai kone go an Tumaini Peace Initiative chala re wiki jupa lat keje re wika Kenya ka Nairobi jen jete ka pedon wana tema ne go gwade dan to ko je men me shinatin konti la bondang wan ti rodi no mat gwakel ci kare sholo no shala ke UPA and UPA mo unify kata dan ci kan lat ke je ko ngai kono no United People Alliances ka dobra ni kan lat ke je morwai ke pagana mum okech jaram dan la chairperson ki commander in chief ke UPA ko UPA point madde ne di ala tote ko ala chola UPA ala madde ni di aten kontin tegarwal ke kuumɛ kirma yadit ka do dana lin koneje tele aswele mayoten ka tele aswele mayo kit gwang tele jetin ba ngode ala aswele mayo kit gwang shumanta ngode tel mi kan lat by the way bit kan ajen diele dan ikana tan ke kuumɛ kirma yadit ko ke manana shikana lat ke jen gwasa me wedi wala ngutu ko ngode tel mi shana ling ajen diele dan ikana do ba deputy chief of defense minister ba je kam Simon Gadwidwell ka spele mayo kit gwang faction me shidak pin kana Riek machar ngode tan din mi sha chaglan je nyoka jen kwide so on Tumaini Peace Initiative me chaje haltene ka gwazidan chaje kapchong ke chaje laska o atitin math ba je kula loitin kala ro ne de kana loitin ka changa jandangra wide ngwan ke jandangra wide diech ka pay diok ron kina dangra wide jandangra wide diech ngode kana nanga jemena le roda badwer gada ni ken kula gor gwas me jena ko gor no be nyoga yekel ko lar ken no en peace dan kam Riek machar ken kim yadi cha fail 2018 peace agreement charitin anymore so kujamo mugor kono mal bo nya rodin jing mat ka jen mal lat ko mon kam kir mayardit kan UPA UPA United People Alliance kirme ko lat Korean General Pagana Mum Okech Ramadan la chairperson ka commander in chief Ray bon commandant in lat kamal kuide ka Nairobi man quality man peace initiative man chalat gwasame the leadership of the United People Alliance has condemned the decision by the government of South Sudan to invite the Uganda People Defense Forces to the South Sudan amid tension and conflict in Apanal, Western Bargazal and Western Equatorial State. Shajan and Gwasame ala kan kuumɛ tente ray malka ka tuman peace initiative a Ramadan and take mente deni pinde deni UPA la pagana mum okech warga che gor gwasame ka jen ko kan take tuman peace initiative jen ko la no to jen the only peace and beben man South Sudan nang niam chicken man chalat kir mayadi chicken condemn already no kir mayadi chete ka chonko de deni SSPDF sorry deni UPA UPDF ala Uganda People Defense Force chaka de nangre which ka juba jena na moni yer malka so na mo kan ya agree ke je na mo che chong ajen ko la condemn ga jamo kana mo ajen klar kana no marone dan 2018 cheliu chine tin kon lat ko rodien gwa chine ka gorbine mat ka do brani kana la no so mi kan lat gwas me UPA kana nena. The UPA is a coalition of the South Sudan Opposition Movement Alliance and the other opposition group participating in the Kenyan government-mediated Tumaini Initiative Peace Talk in Nairobi and was formed in January. The alliance brought their forces under one command and really SPLM leader, General Pagana Mum Okech was named the chairperson and commander-in-chief. Ala ken bondi na mat ken kel ken no baje ko chol UPA okay cha je chumat gwaskel cha je chol UPA United People Alliance cha pagana mum mente ka parliament chol ka real SPLM je chol ko real SPLM jen bonde and pagana mum cha jago jen bia kuerone ka benyen bia chairperson ke ken commander in chief ka jen military dung military group mo a press release signed by UPA Secretary General and official spokesperson Lual Dao says South Sudan is at a critical junction where the people are rising up in order to rescue the country from the current economic, humanitarian, and political crisis and the mismanagement and looting of national resources orchestrated by the cartel-dominated government of South Sudan. Kenenate wallet can along especially UPA, can let can along ko de can South Sudan de can wire siang ma jaga to gwan ma kwalka kwa wetin ngai kone te ko kwa ngwan kwalke resource nying South Sudan dial ne ite motela chuer ko do bran chelat ke je re kuma ka South Sudan jeni kone tin ko lena jen do bran kwal gur ke jen go de na de kan te ka mat ke de kan ben to man peace initiative ko do bran chelat ke je lenga je go UPA kan de kan ke dich okay jen kwal chol UPA tika ke dich mi kukan ngal condemn ge mono cha Uganda ni cha de na re wiki juba ko Uganda ci konen ka press release ci kana ladeno de ni ken wo gare wiki juba ko nokano ba kirma yadit e ba je gang ki cikan gorno kirma yadit ponde e de je wuch wi kwam ki der datira maga ka je ken bi kana gang amen gwada jor ka ngake je no ka reality de ano ken mo ken ka yo to gang kan kirma yadit ki gang kan wi kwam ko kir ngaje no cha mess up already e we cha mess up ka je again we they need to cocken we gonna ko ba de begang ala is some real forces check a trust okay nyo the man nyo the go and so and kirma yad by take out the family members ala fun family the find ko chikan ngaje no kir che mess up already so no me be a link unlike in other countries where government value the well-being and security of their citizens, the ruling clique in Juba masquerading as a government has once again demonstrated that returning the country to war is international. The statement read in part, therefore, inviting foreign troops into South Sudan is a premeditated, malicious plan to return the country to a full-out war, providing beyond any doubt that the revitalized peace agreement is dead and that Tumaini is the only hope for a negotiated peace. The UPA called for immediate withdrawal of all foreign troops from the territory of South Sudan, not mandated by the UN, the statement added. Men bi angai gwad me kan larin UPA kan gone kan de ne dial kon ya no rewe ka South Sudan ten sha de ne South Sudan chit ke de Uganda ka woke ay kan nyok en Malaysia ta kam kirma yahdi kan dakrin ma chaten e mal ma shili ko kuje mo the only hope ke men ngat kan je tame Tumaini men dana teketen chikaro je mo chikana ko ne no. UPA appealed to the region and the international community to urge all the neighbors of South Sudan not to exacerbate the volatile situation in the country. The UPA again called on all the opposition movement, political and civil society activists, and citizens to protest against the clear intention to use foreign troops to separate the people and take the country back to a full-out war. The statement concluded, we urge the region and the international community to stand in solidarity with our people during this decisive moment. Chol kane kontin la jiso Sudan ho de ka brar ki de ka demonstration de kan laden ho chine Uganda troop railway da chine gor no kai chol kan international community bon ho shwonga ne kel katada na lat kane je ka je kirmu yadit kan ho lo je South Sudan lo je re kur chikaro je mo chikan lat. On Tuesday, the Uganda People Defense Forces Chief of Defense Forces and First Son General Maozi revealed on his Twitter that Uganda troops are in South Sudan to protect President Salva Kiir and secure the capital Juba. Mechi raja dana shalat ke Tuesday name. Mechi Uganda People Defense Force got wude shalam Museveni me. Kola la wude shal ke Mozi General Mozi. Jaram nande de pinde bon. Jen shalat ro kene chene de ne jaga South Sudan ko bike Kiir mo yadi bikana gang. That's it. Jen dana shalat. Shalat no more. Later in the day, South Sudan Information Minister Michael Makwei categorically denied that the UPDF are deployed in the country. Denied that the UPDF are deployed in the country. So she denied government will tell the UPDF which are deployed in South Sudan. Okay, jene tell jene kajana mo. Kachi Ramadan shala mahozi la general dung Uganda na mo. Jene chadi ni shaka nangrai which ka South Sudan which is makwelu atia ka chajalat ka do brana shalat keje. So jene cha depend ka court bonete konti la Uganda ne kene de da jare which ka South Sudan right kontem gangan kirma yadit ko chagu jeno take a threat mi be re which ka Juba. However, the spokesperson of the UPDF confirmed the deployment of its special forces in South Sudan to support the government of President Salva Kiir Mayardit. Ramadan kullerle la lat ke UPDF. Kelado no yes atoko no chine de jine jagre wika South Sudan ko be kum South Sudan be jawgang. Ke Kiir Mayardit kana makoilu de yakach. E kum tedi kum no mo. The circumstance under which the UPDF was deployed remain unclear, as there has been no public authorization by Uganda Parliament. Awade dan ti jere wiki Uganda were wika ka South Sudan ki mentre wika South Sudan tem watel war gamme cha gor ki kan ka authorize ki kan mo ka long mo ka Juba mnyone jen wo ken cha jurke men bi anga jeno Kiir Mayardit goro jen wo dere bol me dere jalat kwarka jen dan le roden tem but canon declare not yet. In recent week, tension have escalated between the force loyal to President Kiir and those of his vice president Riek Machar, who lead the Sudan People Liberation Movement Army in opposition. Last week, militia allegedly loyal to Machar overran the town of Nasser in Upper Nile State, killing numerous people, including the SSPDF commander in the area. The violence prompted Kiir administration to intensify a crackdown on Machar's allies. Among those detained are the petroleum minister and several senior military officials aligned with the first by President Dr. Machar. This development has raised renewed concern about the stability of the fragile 2018 peace agreement, which ended a brutal 5 years in civil war in South Sudan. So, name again, dan shalinga no en Juba ke jan gwasa me chetikamal en force dung wood na me mishwal ke musabene metada re which ka Juba chamal che jeno janan gode kono nyakel nyane ko kien ku subscribe and bye bye betema.